10 lines essay on unity. First line, unity means being together. Second line, it is a great power. Third line, it makes a country strong. Fourth line, it brings success and growth. Fifth line, no one can break it. Sixth line, it is the key of happiness. Seventh line, it makes us brave. Eighth line, it promotes peace and harmony. Ninth line, it means helping each other. Tenth line, it helps to fight with every situation.
वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और अगर चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी ना भूलें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।